So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to strike through text here in Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up Microsoft Word once that is done. Then you obviously have to type in some text into your design or into your document, my apologies. So I'm just going to type in the word right here, strike through just like that. I'll make it a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. Now the simplest way to do this is to actually highlight the text you're looking to strike through. Making sure the home tab in the top left is selected right below it where it says bold, italicized, underlined. Right beside that it says A, B with a strike through beside it. It says strike through right here. Press on that, and there you go. Pretty straightforward. It allows strike through text that you're highlighting here in Microsoft Word. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. This is how to strike through text here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.